The Notes tab allows you to record additional information for each contact, making it easy to note details and follow through. We've updated them to boost their power and make them more structured, searchable, and actionable. Let's check the changes. Add supporting documents directly to Notes with support for up to 5 documents per note. Keep critical notes fixed at the top of the timeline. A maximum of 2 notes can be pinned. The search functionality allows you to filter results to ones containing your keywords in the title or the description. This update adds a few steps to note-taking in the CRM, so let's learn how to do it. Locate your desired contact in either the Contacts or Conversations section and click the pencil icon to open the Notes section. Click plus Add, or if this is your first note, click Add Note to open the builder. Fill out the title and description, select a color for your note, and add any attachments or associations needed. Once satisfied with your note, click Save in the bottom right corner. With this update, you can easily add extra information to your contacts, color-code it as needed, and sort the results, making it easy to fulfill customer promises and remember details. We hope you enjoy it.